Summer is right here, and it's right about time we try to lose the weight that we've gained throughout winter. But before you do that, let's get to know more about the fat cell, which is the main building block of why your body does not look the way you want it to. The fat cell lives in a body for 7 years, and when a fat cell dies, a new one is created to take its place. Your body keeps track of how many fat cells there are and the amount of fat that is in every cell. So, if for example the fat cells from the belly are removed by a liposuction, then the body will make it up by creating new fat cells and placing them somewhere else. So, a liposuction is not a solution to the weight problem. It is also expensive and painful. As for weight loss pills, well, even though they help some lose weight temporarily, they are full of many negative side effects, such as mood swings and depression. So, we advise you to focus on exercise. Choose the ones that suit your lifestyle and your time. And don't forget to pay attention to your food and try as much as possible to have healthy foods and regular meals. In our upcoming videos, we will share a lot of ways to take care of your body and your health, including diets and exercises. Stay tuned, and if you liked today's video, do let us know by pressing the like. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.